class, welcome to our channel Leaders Academy 5074. Today we are treating the topic motion. And what is motion? Motion is the rate of change of the position of a body with respect to time. So we can say that what motion is the rate of change of the position of an object or a body, an object with respect to time. We have types of motion. Types of motion. Number one is the translational motion. Translational motion. Number two is rotational motion. Number three, we have the circular motion, random motion, and oscillatory motion, and relative motion. So I'm going to explain each of them. Translational motion. Translational motion is movement on a straight path. So for translational motion is movement on a what? On a straight path. So we can also call it a linear motion. For example, a boy running on a track 100-meter race. That is what? A translational motion. Are we together? Now the next is rotational motion. Rotational. Rotational motion is the movement of a body about its axis. Movement of a body about its axis. So, about its axis. About its axis. For example, we have the movement of the Earth or other planets around the Sun is known as circular motion. But for rotational motion, when the Earth is moving about its axis, rotating about its axis, which causes what? Which causes day and night. Are we there? That's why I'm putting these two together, circular and rotational motion. Movement around another body is circular motion. The movement about your axis is what? Is known as what? Rotational motion. So circular motion around another body. So the Earth giving us what? Day and night about its axis. But for this case now, the Earth giving us what? The revolution around the Sun give us what? The years. The years. Are you there? So these are the examples I would like to use here for rotational and circular motion. The random motion is the movement that has no direction. For example, a woman in the marketplace. A woman in the marketplace, she buys from this place, she goes to this place, she goes to, so those things, she doesn't have a specific direction. So movement in that order is known as random motion, or movement of insects, you understand? So those are what? Random motion. Then oscillatory motion. To and fro movement, or back and forth. That is the examples here would be our swing. The swing, you understand? The swing, move to, fro, like that. The swing, the simple pendulum is also an example. Simple pendulum, example here. The relative motion. When I move, for example, a vehicle is moving and somebody in that vehicle is seated in the vehicle. The person is also moving as the vehicle is moving. That is moving relative to the what? Motion of the vehicle. So if a person stands up and walks by 1 meter per second, that person is walking a bit faster than the what? Vehicle, while inside the vehicle, moving forward. But if the vehicle is moving this way and the person is moving backward, the person is moving against the motion of the vehicle. That's why you see that the person will stagger. For example, these big buses, we call them luxurious buses. You understand? Those very big buses that convey passengers. Imagine you stand in that vehicle and you are walking towards the driver as the vehicle is moving forward. What happens is that at that case, you look as if you are falling forward. Why? Because it is assumed that your speed now is greater than the speed of the vehicle. So you are trying to catch yourself. You understand? But if you are going backward, you are moving against the motion of that vehicle. So if we say the vehicle is moving at 80 meters per second and the vehicle is moving in this direction, because velocity is a vector quantity. Now, and you, the passenger, you are moving towards the driver with 1 meter per second. That means your speed now is what? 81 meters per second. You add it going forward. But if the vehicle is moving at 80 meters per second, this direction, and maybe you are going back with 2 meters per second. You want to try and walk fast. You see at the end you are moving at 78 meters per second, because this is a vector quantity. The direction now matters. So that is just to explain things about motion. Thank you very much for watching. Please share, subscribe and comment on the comment section. God bless you.